All right, so this little quick video is going to show you guys how to recalibrate your digital scale. Typically you want to use a 100-gram weight, but in the situation that I'm in, I don't have a 100-gram weight and I don't intend to buy one. So this is what we're going to do. There's also some suggestions, people saying you can use like American nickels and shit like that, but considering I'm in Canada, I don't have any American fucking nickels, nor am I looking for any. It's a good idea though if you do have them. And supposedly they weigh around like 5 grams, so that's why they say take 20 of them. So 5 times 20 equals 100. Bada bing. Now, if you don't have that, another option you could do is take a glass of water, fill it up, and weigh it until it weighs 100 gram, and use that as your weight. There's a bunch of ways, but basically, if you don't have a 100-gram weight, you're going to need to have another scale in order to create this 100-gram weight, and that other scale needs to be on point. So this is the one that's not on point. This is the one that's on point. Now, what I'm going to use for my 100-gram weight is, I know a lot of you little potheads have one of these, handheld grinder. And what we're going to do, whoops, turn this on. And I'm going to throw this on just to see how much that bad boy weighs. So it's telling me 94.2. Then I have this little ring I found from a keychain. Put that on, we're at 97.4. Then I'm going to throw in a little dime. Puts us at 99.2, so we're getting there. And I have these two little tiny ass screws, which I believe are from like my PlayStation or some shit. Throw that on top. And that puts us more or less at 100 grams, 99.9. So it's going to be pretty accurate with this. I mean, if you're weighing a gram, you're going to be off by like 0.0001 or some shit, if my math is right. And for me, that's good enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this bad boy off. Go over here. Turn this one on. And we need to get it into that mode so we can recalibrate it. So hold that button and then press the power button. Whoops, sorry, I fucking switched over to ounces. Let's try that again. Okay, hold on. My bad. Fucking up here. Okay, so now we're back in grams. Hold this. Hold on, let me tear that bitch. Hold this down and then press the power button. Yep, calibrate. Now press it one more time. It's going to blink and it's going to ask us for 100-gram weight. So I'm going to put this bad boy over here. Put it nicely on top of that scale. And yep, it should give us a pass. It's saying that it's 100 grams on the dot. I don't know what happened, but I guess, or 99.98. So now the way to test it is, since I'm in Canada, like I said, I don't have any American coins, but I have this big old coin, which is a toonie. And the ones that are made before 2011 are supposed to weigh around 7.3 grams. So if I throw it on that ski, it's 7.3. Now if I throw it on this bad boy, it is 7.30. Boom. And that's how you recalibrate your scale. I mean, you guys can use whatever you want at the end of the day. But that's how I did it. Basically just a little makeshift weight that I made out of my fucking grinder here. And yeah, I hope that helps. Let me know what you guys think, if that worked for you or what you used to make a weight. And also make sure you sub and check out the beats and the music. All right? Peace.